MuseScore versus Sibelius. Which music notation software is better? Choosing the right music notation software can completely change how you create and share compositions without the frustration of complicated tools. Both offer powerful features for musicians and composers. MuseScore and Sibelius are two leading music notation programs, each with unique strengths. MuseScore is open source and free, ideal for accessibility, while Sibelius is a premium product with advanced features and professional support. The core difference lies in cost and depth of functionality. MuseScore is a free, open-source music notation software designed for composers, arrangers, and educators. It allows users to create, playback, and print sheet music with an intuitive interface. MuseScore supports a wide range of musical symbols and offers flexible input methods including MIDI devices and keyboard shortcuts. Its community-driven development means regular updates and a vast library of shared scores. Strengths include no cost, cross-platform compatibility, and a supportive user base that contributes plugins and tutorials. However, MuseScore's interface can feel less polished compared to commercial alternatives, and some advanced engraving features are limited. It's ideal for students, hobbyists, and composers who want a powerful tool without financial investment or those who prefer open-source solutions. MuseScore's accessibility and collaborative features make it a strong choice for learning and sharing music easily. Sibelius is a professional-grade music notation software developed by Avid, widely used by composers, arrangers, and music publishers. It offers advanced notation, engraving, and playback capabilities with a polished, user-friendly interface. Sibelius supports complex scores, dynamic parts, and integrates well with digital audio workstations. Its strengths include sophisticated layout options, high-quality sound libraries, and comprehensive customer support. The software also features intelligent tools like magnetic layout and dynamic parts management, which save time on formatting. Limitations include its subscription-based pricing model, which may be costly for casual users, and a steeper learning curve due to its extensive feature set. Sibelius is best suited for professional musicians, educators, and studios requiring precise control over notation and presentation. Its robust toolset and industry-standard reputation make it a reliable choice for serious composition and publishing projects. When comparing MuseScore and Sibelius, consider your needs and budget. MuseScore excels as a free, accessible platform perfect for beginners, educators, and those who want to collaborate without cost. It covers most notation basics and supports community sharing, but lacks some advanced engraving finesse. Sibelius offers a premium experience with powerful features for complex scores, professional publishing, and seamless DAW integration. It's ideal for users needing precision and efficiency in large projects, but its subscription fee can be a barrier. For example, a student writing simple arrangements will find MuseScore sufficient, while a film composer scoring an orchestra will benefit from Sibelius's advanced tools. The trade-off is between cost and depth of features, with MuseScore prioritizing accessibility and Sibelius focusing on professional-grade output. Choose MuseScore if you want a free, user-friendly notation tool with strong community support, perfect for learning, teaching, and casual composing without financial commitment. Option Sibelius if you require advanced notation features, professional engraving, and reliable support for complex projects. Its powerful tools streamline composition and publishing workflows, making it the preferred choice for professionals who demand precision and industry-standard quality in their music scores.